Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this Crompton ceiling fan. I don't know the model name because the name is portion is faded. It is having a hand logo label and a box logo label with a box logo capacitor dated 2002. The fan is late 90s, early 2000s. So this is a fan I have not seen before. This is a fully plastic PVC cage fan. Actually, I showed around this fan, but that video is not recorded for some camera issue. Enjoy the rest.
So guys, I have completely got it into parts. All so much dust. I will clean all this. So moment of truth. Is this a Riviera or something else? This looks like Riviera from the above. What the hell? A Crompton high speed with these blades? Are you kidding me? And like this is all plastic. God knows what this plastic is for, what went into the middle. Like there's no remote system or anything in this. So, like I guess there was some, like this is Riviera and high speed combination. What a rare fan then. So I don't know what went inside, so if I find anything that matches the deco, I'll fix it. So now let's tear this down. So guys, this is a 12-volt motor from a Crompton high speed. The lower bottom is from the Crompton high speed. Upper is also from the Crompton high speed. Wait, you can see this is meant for a Crompton high speed. Literally, this is the Crompton high speed part, but they didn't make it like that. So, like, this is fascinating. First time seeing something like this. This is the 12-volt. Bearings are toast. So now what we'll do, we'll clean the fan. So guys, I've completely cleaned the fan. It is drying. As you can see, this is the Crompton high speed upper body, but they didn't drill out the holes, so it is just a casting. So this is from a late 90s, early 2000s. Capacitor is dated 2002. It's dead. Now let's assemble the fan. So guys, the fan is completely assembled, capacitor connected, all the downloads installed. Just we have to install the canopy. As I don't have two canopies, what I'm going to do, the lower canopy is big and upper I will use this Aura canopy, and I have to assemble the blade. So let's install the fan. So guys, the fan is installed and I have put this Bajaj medallion temporarily just for design purpose. Let's put it in full speed. Power on. Oh my god guys, what an airflow. Like these are those Riviera type of blades with better blade angle and better blade design, and that upper Aura canopy and this aircraft. Wow guys, what an awesome fan. Let's see it stop. Like these are some rare specimens. Like I cannot believe they made this in early 2002. Literally, and then it still has the hand symbol on it. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon. See those blades, they're nice.